My husband and I, thinking about retirement, thought we wanted to build out a van, tour the country and visit friends and family. But sadly, he passed away in 22. So my older son said, hey, Mom, why don't you just go ahead and do it? You know, Dad would have wanted you to do it. So I reached out to my niece, who's a builder, and I said, what do you think? Can I bring a van to you empty and we build it together? You teach me and everything. And so in 6 weeks we did it. We did it full time. And so, yeah, she just let me, she's like, okay, saw this, okay, cut this, okay, nail this. And a few times she'd let me loose on my own and come back and go, okay, you did okay, but we're gonna redo that. But no, she was amazing. She did 95% of it. I mean, I was just her little helper, you know? I have a 2019 Ram ProMaster high roof 159 wheelbase, and it's a front wheel drive. Come on in. So, and what I love about this door is that if you were to break in the front, you wouldn't know how to open this. It jams because we purposely made it so you had to push and pull, and a person wouldn't know that. They would really fight with it, and that would give me time to, you know, get out or whatever, right? So I love that. And it makes it also just separates it, makes it feel like a little house. So I love that. These are 2 units that my niece took apart, and because I really wanted a little farmhouse sink. And then there's my water. I keep about 4 of those in the back, 5 gallon each, and it just pumps. It's just perfect. And that's my gray water. My little 1 burner stove, I just put on here. It's a little suitcase, and I keep it in there when I'm camping, but when I'm not, I put it in the storage down here. I have little rechargeable lights under all the cabinets. I feel like these work so good, and they hold their charge forever. Like seriously, they'll hold it for weeks. So I love those, and I have them under both cabinets. I don't use this so much because it's 110. I didn't think about that. So it draws a little bit too much from my battery, but I can, and I do sometimes. All of these open up, tons of storage. There's my potty's under there. I have an OGO toilet. This whole thing completely pushes underneath. I just have my books and stuff on there right now. So it just pushes underneath. And then this turns into a bed. This turns into a bed. That turns into the bed. We made this so I can lift it up and reach my clothes. I have a rack under there for clothes. So just loads of storage. This lifts up, this lifts up, this lifts up. So tons of storage. I don't feel like I'm in all storage up there, and it goes all the way, you know. So yeah, lots of storage. And then the garage is really nice, but it's really messy right now. So yeah, so it's a great garage. I mean, I've got a place to hang up all my clothes. I even have one behind the passenger seat for my dresses. But yeah, I found one of these little things that lock so they don't fly open for all my tools and stuff. And that U-shaped couch turns into a full bed. So the cushion I keep in here when I'm not using it, and then there's a board right underneath my mattress that I just pull out and fit in that spot.
And then it's a double.
And it's a double.
All right.
So when I visit my grandkids, I can sleep down there and they can sleep up top, or vice versa. So I love it. I'm very grateful.